The Enforcement Directorate has filed a charge sheet against Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and others in the National Herald money laundering case. A special court led by Judge Vishal Gogne received the charge sheet on April 9. The court will hear the case again on April 25. Notably, the ED began its probe in 2021 based on a complaint by BJP leader Subramanian Swamy. And this time in the charge sheet, Sonia Gandhi is listed as accused number 1 and Rahul Gandhi as accused number 2. Others include Congress leaders Suman Dubey and Sam Petroda, two companies, Young Indian and Dotex Merchandise, and Sunil Bhandari of Dotex. The ED has filed charges under various sections of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. Notably, if found guilty, then the accused could face up to 7 years in jail. So what did ED say in its charge sheet? Well, the ED says that key office bearers of the All India Congress Committee along with the principal officers of Associated Journals Limited, that is AJL, and Young Indian orchestrated a criminal conspiracy to take over properties worth Rs 2,000 crore belonging to AJL. ED claimed that 99% of AJL shares were transferred to Young Indian for Rs 50 lakh. It said that Sonia and Rahul Gandhi each hold 38% in Young Indian. Further, AJL's 90.21 crore loan was converted into shares and given to Young Indian. The ED further says that this gave them control of AJL's real estate. It also noted that Young Indian, which was although a non-profit organization, did no charity work. The ED claimed that over 414 crore rupees in taxes were avoided. Overall, the Congress has called the ED's charge sheet against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi as vendetta politics, and further, it said that it will hold protests outside ED offices across the country on Wednesday to register its strong opposition to such politics of vendetta and intimidation. But what are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.